Animals. Lesson 2, Farm Animals. 1. Awesome words. Goat. Goats. Duck. Ducks. Cow. Cows. Horse. Horses. 2. Structure. Question: how many? Answer: there are, and I can see. How many goats? There are 4 goats. I can see 4 goats. How many cows? There are 5 cows. I can see 5 cows. How many ducks? There are 6 ducks. I can see 6 ducks. How many horses? There is 1 horse. I can see 1 horse. How many horses? There are 4 horses. I can see 4 horses. Thank you and goodbye.